Hi, let's look at this Surds question over here that requires you to understand a few different rules of indices in order to solve it. Let's have a look.
Hi, in this question, we are given this expression 2 to the power of m multiplied by 3 to the power of m divided by 6 to the power of 2 to the power of m or 6 to the power of 2m minus 1 equals to 36 to the power of minus 1. Now, let's see how we can go about with this question here. Now, the first step is the numerator. So, we have two numbers with different base but same power. So the rule we can apply, or the indices rule we can apply, is am multiplied by bm is equivalent to a times b, okay, the whole thing to the power of m. Alright, so that means the numerator can be written as 2 times 3 to the power of m divided by, so the denominator will keep it as it is first, 2m minus 1 equals to 36 to the power minus 1. So the next step is this 2 times 3, I'll get 6m divided by 6 to the power of 2m minus 1 equals to, now 36 is 6 square, so I can write it as 6 square to the power of minus 1. Okay, on the left hand side, I have a fraction. Both of them have the same base but different power. So the indices rule I can apply is am divided by an is equals to a to the power of m minus n. Okay, so on the left hand side here, what I'm going to have is 6 to the power of m minus 2m minus 1 equals to, okay, on the right hand side I have 6 square to the power of minus 1. So the indices rule I'm going to apply here is am bracket to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So here I have 6 to the power of 2 times minus 1. Okay, so on the left hand side I have 6, m minus 2m is minus m, minus a minus is plus 1 equals to 6 to the power of 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So now what you see is on the left hand side, both the bases are the same, which implies that both the powers are now the same. Alright, so with that you can rewrite this as 1 minus m equals to minus 2. Therefore, m is equals to 3. And that is your final answer here for this question. So as you can see, we have applied a few different rules of indices in order to arrive at our final answer over here. And I hope that this question has given you a good recap of these indices rules that you have learned in class. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.